How to add comments in Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open a Docs document or a Word document. The process is just the same. Now in your top navigation bar in this section, you will find an option of comments. Tap on it. Then you will find all the comments that people have added whom you have shared this document or who has access to this document. But if you want to add a separate comment, tap on this add comment button and then all you have to do is write down your comment. For example, I'm just working on paragraph 5, and then you can also mention people by simply typing the @ and then mentioning them like this and then assign it as well. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.